somebody questioned Faiz Ahmed Faiz also कि ये जो कुछ इस मुल्क में है वो कौन सी चीज़ हमारी है, क्या मोहनजोदारो का वक्त हमारा है, क्या सिखों का या मुग़ल हम थे। उसका जवाब उन्होंने कुछ इस तरह दिया कि जो कुछ इस धरती पर है वो हमारा है। And that is how we should look at our land and our history, because we have to own up whatever has happened on the soil, on the land, which today is Pakistan. Walled City Lahore Authority is relatively a new organization. It started as a project about 14 years ago, but in 2012, that is 7 years ago, it was upgraded as an authority, which actually means that for the historic area of Lahore, the old Lahore, there has to be a focused, autonomous body which is meant to rehabilitate the old fabric and plan it and regenerate it. So I'm glad that here in Lahore, the historic spaces that we have done, one is the Shahi Hammam, which has got the UNESCO award, the Masjid Wazir Khan Chowk, the Hazuri Bagh area, as well as now the bunkers area. And this space where we are sitting is the royal kitchens. I didn't even know that there was a Shahi Bawarchi Khana in the Lahore fort, and I'm sure for the last 40 years, 50 years, nobody knew whether it existed. So one day when I just stumbled upon it, this was a place full of wild growth. There were scorpions and snakes here. And then we took upon ourselves to rehabilitate it, conserve it. And so this entire space has been now properly conserved. The ruined portion with the Akhan Trust help, but the rest with my own team.
Our efforts with WSLA, one main thing is that we are basically following all the methods and means of the UNESCO laid down for the conservation of any World Heritage Sites. So we're using all latest techniques to document these buildings as well before we touch it, before we start any work. अभी हम जिस जगह से एंटर कर रहे हैं ये वुडन ब्रिज है जो कि ब्रिटिश टाइम पीरियड में बना था, और हम यहाँ से इस एरिया को प्रिजर्व करते हुए जिस एरिया में हम आ रहे हैं ये टोटल ओवरग्रोन वेजिटेशन थी। मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि ये जगह बेसिकली नो गो एरिया था लोगों के लिए, और जहाँ पे अब एंटर कर रहा हूँ यहाँ सारी वेजिटेशन थी। सो इसकी जब काम हमने स्टार्ट किया तो इस जगह के ऊपर हम लोगों ने पहले क्लियरेंस सबसे पहले की गई है, फिर इसकी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की गई, और ये एरिया जो मसरूम दरवाज़ा मेरी बैक साइड पे है इसकी हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले कंजर्व किया। आप देख सकते हैं ये दरवाज़ा जो है ये नीचे गिरा हुआ था, हमने इसको वी हैव प्रिजर्व्ड इट, इसमें लॉग्स नए लगा दिए गए जो मिसिंग थे और वापस कर दिया। इट्स ऑल ऑपरेशनल नाउ, द स्ट्रक्चर इज़ वेरी स्टेबल। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड सक्सेसफुली 4 projects in last 18 months. One of them is bunker, and this bunker is now been made an executive business area as well, where we can have the conferences. Other one is Muslim Gate. We have this wooden bridge, Royal Kitchen, Shahbuj Gate. Again, I'll say that the gate which was lying there, it was actually sunken inside the ground and it wasn't mobile either. So we brought it down, repaired it, and that gate is back. You can move it, you can close it, and you can open it up as well.
One of the benefits of engaging Aga Khan Trust for Culture was to bring international experts. So all experts who came here, they instilled their knowledge in our young team of architects, engineers, and the other conservators. So during this documentation work, one of the major projects which was identified was Picture Wall. It was initiated in 1624 by Emperor Jahangir, culminated by Emperor Shah Jahan, 1632. It is world's largest mural. It has fresco, tile mosaic, marble work, and cut brick work. It has a terracotta work and filigree work. So the decorative feature it has a unique appearance. We have 3,000 plus fresco and tile panels, and one tile panel could take 2 months to be constructed. So imagine the scale of the project. These tile mosaic panels, they had a 30% water porosity, and the glaze is already missing. There is no mean in a traditional terms which can reduce the water porosity. So we employed a modern technique from Europe where we inject a kind of particle which seals the pores. And what you see is authentic tile at the end. Now this tile is more robust, more repellent, more authentic. So these kind of things we have introduced. And after conserving this project, the kind of tourism, the kind of money it will bring to the city of Lahore or the citizens of Lahore, it's immense. And this is the kind of philosophy of Aga Khan Trust for Culture, to use culture as a development tool.
You know, Pakistan is rich with nature and history both. We have always been exposing our nature, which is a natural state, and that's the beauty of it. But what about our history, the heritage places? So I'm glad that here in Lahore, the Walled City has not only rehabilitated or conserved its historic monuments and spaces, but also activated, energized, and made them people friendly.
Inherently, I think ये सबके अंदर होता है, but मेरे लिए बड़ा मज़ेदार एक फील आती है जब मैं इस environment के अंदर आता हूँ और मैं कहता हूँ कि यार पूरी दुनिया की हिस्ट्री को बहुत मज़ेदार तरीके से ग्लोरीफाई किया हुआ है. हमें somehow अपनी हिस्ट्री को अब ग्लोरीफाई करने का टाइम अब रियलाइज हुआ है. And for some act of God, I think I ended up becoming a designer. And when I became a designer, I obviously tried to find indigenous stories for me to tell, because for me it is very, very important for कि मैं अपने roots, अपने culture, अपनी heritage के links से अपना future depict करूँ और मेरी अपनी understanding of the future depict करूँ. And architecture is one of the biggest inspirations for all artists, for all kinds of artists, whether they're filmmakers, whether they're fine artists, whether they're sculptors, whether they're fashion designers like me. So when I bring my children here and when I talk about the history, I talk about these things as superheroes. I glorify these guys कि यार उन्होंने ये किया था, उन्होंने कॉइन बनाया था, उन्होंने ये किया था, उन्होंने इस तरह रूल किया था. So हम लोग वो स्टोरी टेलिंग का जो एक पॉइंट था ना बच्चों के साथ एसोसिएट करने का, आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो रियली समथिंग दैट्स मिसिंग राइट नाउ. एंड जिन लोगों ने ये जगह बनाई थी उन लोगों के थॉट प्रोसेसेस को समझ के अगर हम अपने बच्चों को आज भी एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू करें तो उनकी जो एलियनेशन हो चुकी हुई है ना हमारी सकाफत से, हमारी हिस्ट्री से, हमारी कल्चर से, हमारी हेरिटेज से, वो वापस आ जाएगी.
First of all, we have to believe in our history. And our history is one of the oldest, richest, most diverse and colorful. It's just how you present it, how you package it, how you market it. You know, the same places can be dead, same places could be the talk of the world. So that's the challenge we have taken upon ourselves. जो कुछ हमारी धरती पर है, वो हमारा है. And that is a statement we need to internalize, believe, and imbibe.